Why indexes start at 0 and not 1? It is because back in the dark ages of assembly, there were no such things as predefined types, int, floats, and etc. The way that developers could represent arrays was a long snippet of bytes of the same type combined from its elements. So let's say we have an int array of 4 elements, 0, 2, 4, and 8. In C, we would declare the array as int array is equal to 0, 2, 4, and 8. In assembly, we would do array_db 0, 2, 4, and 8, and the computer would store it as so, which is just all the numbers converted into binary that are mushed close together. When dealing with arrays, to get the value at a specific index, programmers would use the formula memory address of the array plus the length of a type, in int's case 32 bits, times the index. With the index of 0, you would get the array's memory address, aka the first element address. Now, by looking 31 bits ahead, we would have the full integer. That's why the indexes start at 0. And also you might ask, what about the languages that use 1 instead? They are wrong.